Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to find the SGPA of a semester in VTU, Visvesvaraya Technological University. First step, you have to collect the grades which is allotted to a subject or a credits which is available in the syllabus copy of the semester. And then we have to multiply that credit with a subject grade which is obtained in a marks card, in a semester marks card. And third step is sum of all products of grades allotted and grades obtained, and then we have to divide that sum of the product with the total grade which is allotted. Okay, then we have to discuss the each and every step in a briefly. So first step is the grades, which is credits which is allotted to subject which is available in a syllabus copy. You can go and check in a syllabus copy for a corresponding subjects. And then step 2, the grades, and in step 2 the grades which is obtained will be found out by below table. So this is the table which is used to find out the grade points. So if you are getting the marks in between 90 and 80, you will be getting a grade point as 9. So like that. For the step 3, I am going to take my 6M marks card in aeronautical engineering. So these are the subjects which I studied, and these are the credits which are allotted for every subjects. So these are the credits which I obtained in the mark sheet for a corresponding marks. So these are the marks which I obtained, and I compare these marks in an previous table, and I got these credits, and I took the product of these credits allotted and credits obtained, and I get the product. So I add all these products and I get the sum of all the products. So then I add all the credits which is allotted, and I got 26. So step 4 formula is, so in step 4 SGPA formula is equal to sum of the product of the credits allotted and credits obtained divided by sum of all credits. So sum of the product is 220 and the sum of the credit is 26. So 220 divided by 26, I get 8.46. SGPA of 6th semester is 8.46. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, share my video if you like this. Thank you.